Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second session for the weekend backtest today. We're going to continue our backtest for June 2022 on the pair gold. We stopped at the 12th of June, and we're going to continue the next week of that. So the last date was basically 10 and you go to 12, so we're going to do the week of 13 to 17 of June 2022. Right, as usual, we start by doing our H4 SNR analysis. We're going to clear this chart and make it default, and we're going to clear the H1 as well, have a fresh analysis for the week so we don't get biased by the previous whatever that happened in the chart. All the way to M15, change to default. Okay, so our chart is clean. Our balance was now our balance is 151,413. That's about 2%. This is not the full month because only track this for the previous week. But let's get started anyway. I'm gonna change this to scale fix so we can blow up the chart to see it's better. So identifying our support and resistance level, I'll pick this level because it's pretty close to this many high over here. This is our first SNR level. Clear this, and then this chart is pretty ugly, I would say. H4, next one will be here. And I want to pick this level, although there is no level here, but this was the high liquidity zone. As you can see here, many resistance around here. So this is our level. Next one, I want to pick this one because this, if price continue to go up, this is the next level of interest. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to mark all this and let's clone it to the other time frame. Adjust the mic a little bit. Hopefully my voice is clear. Okay, so we're done with H4. Let's move to H1 to mark our SND level. Sorry, I need to advance the chart first. This is, I make a mistake here. I need to advance the chart to Monday, 13 hours. So Monday, 1, 4 o'clock, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so still the same level, I would say. Instead of here, I'm gonna move this one to here, and this one is still there, and this one is still here. So this is good. I think I can move this one here. Okay. So clone update. This will be our SNR level. Sorry, need to move it a little bit down. Okay. So let's go to H1 to mark the SND level based on our H4 SNR level. So this is the demand zone. Next, our resist supply zone. Then this is our supply zone again. This one is it's a bit hard to see. So this is another supply zone, but this is very high up here, so probably we will not hit it today. And 1, 2, 3, 4, that's our 4 level. If price continue to go down, we need to look at this one. Looks like I need to mark that as in our H4 level as well. This one, then update it, go to H1, and let's mark our mark the SNR level based on that. There will be this one. I'm gonna, yep, okay. So select all our zone. We're gonna clone it to the lower time frame. Clone update. Okay, so we're gonna have our zone in M30 and M15. So now we go to M15 and look for our entry. We have missed this move. This will be a very good move as this candle, I'll say break here. This is a break of structure. We got a break of structure here. We kind of missed this one, and we can take the trade at the 50% level of this. Okay, never mind. You got it. Can take a trade at 50% of this break of structure candle over here and continue to go down, but we missed it. It's okay. So let's play the chart and wait for something to happen. So price basically reject to this SR flip level. If we can see on a line chart, it's a SR flip level. Price is reacting to that, so we don't know, is it gonna continue to go bullish or continue to go down and tap the H4 demand zone over here. It's a lot of waiting game in trading basically. Okay, so see what happened here. Price make a high and make a, how to say, rejection. So since it break this SR flip level, we can make a sell stop. Let's say stop below this candle and put our stop. Our TP target will be the demand zone, and our stop is about 40 pip. Okay, that's fine because this is the high of this candle. So let's take this sell and see what happened. Boom, it triggered. Now it's triggered. The sell is triggered, but it make a rejection to the top again. That's gonna be tricky. Okay, doesn't look too good. You need to break the low of this to continue to go down. Yes, it continue to go down. And now our trade is in profit. Let it go. Tap the, basically we can, oh no. Is it gonna reject or what? Let's keep it running. Now it's basically almost hit our TP target. It's rejecting, and again, you know what? I'm gonna close it. Okay, 349. This is a good place to close because I'm a bit worried you're gonna bounce off this level. So close very near to the TP target. Is the trade. So I'm gonna screen capture before I journal it. So we decided to close TP target. So the entry is basically enter on the break below, entry on break low of this candle. Also, as you can see here, price are going to the before the 4-hour to 4-hour. Okay, so it's making a continuous downward movement, lower low, higher lower high over here. So that's why I took this trade just now. And previously there was a SR flip zone was broken. Okay, so that's how we take the trade. Copy this and let's put into our journal. This will be trade number 18 for the month of June if we're trading it correctly, and it's on the 13th of June. 13th of June, 6, the entry time was 6 o'clock. Okay, basically 6 o'clock. So if we close now, our PNL is how much? The PNL 349. Close all. Market. Close all 349. Probably we go all the way to our stop was 40 pips. 40 pips is 349 over 250. 349 divided by, 349 divided by 250. That's 1.39. Okay, so we journal the first trade, and then let's see how price continue to go. I'll probably tap the H for our TP target, I guess. Yep, look like it does. Or not. Okay, so price supposed to tap. Yep, nope. We just tap it. Okay. So if it's still in the trade, it probably TP at this point of time or not. Yeah, okay. So definitely it will TP if it's still on the trade. So this trade would have been a good trade. And now what we're gonna look at is how this candle close. Typically, if you make a bullish pin bar, there will be a good signal for buy opportunity. But if it's not, we're just gonna wait to see what happens. So now it's about 6:45 p.m. My time. I mean MT4 time. If I was trading this. I just realized I don't need this. Okay. Okay, so price continue to go inside the demand zone. We want to see what happened here. At this point of time, I'm not sure if I should continue to sell because I don't want to sell a demand zone. I want to buy a demand zone. Or if it break low, then I'll look for sell. Basically, this is a no trade zone for me. It's pretty big though, the zone, even on M15. There's like, wow, it's like 100 pips almost. 90 over pips. Okay, it's too long to wait. Let's move forward because price start to range. Now it's 8 p.m. So we can see price is making a rejection here. However, it also form a bullish pin bar, but as you can see here, price has not break this bullish pin bar. I can start by buy stop, put a buy stop here, and I want the probably hit here before this level and put my stop below the candle. That will be wow. That is huge. That is like 70 pips, man. 70 pips. My stop is 70 pips. That's a bit too much. Risk to reward. Okay. So let's just allow the price to do its thing. This is 70 pips. That's huge. As you can see here, it's still in the range, still ranging there. $8.30. Wait for $8.30 price movement. Wow, it's just range, huh? 8.30, no move, nothing yet. Okay, I'm gonna forward the M15 candle. It's a bit too long already. It just stuck in the range there. Now it's 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 o'clock. So now price broke this bullish pin bar. It goes forward. We are in the buy trade now. You want to see this candle close above this pin bar, basically, to continue to go up. So there's no, okay, that's good. Now is 9:30. See what happened at 9:30. Oh no, I forgot to download the news again. News. Okay, anyhow, I can check from Forex Factory if there's a news on June 13th. June 13th. So June 13th, basically there is nothing. Bank holiday for AUD. There's nothing for USD. Okay, that's getting draggy, and then I'm just gonna forward this candle. So we are on a drawdown now, but I want to see this candle close bullish or no, to create a support to continue to go up. Else it's gonna be a bit tricky and we might lose this trade. Okay, now it's 22 hours, 10 o'clock my time. Come on. So it does not make a support yet. But we make a support here to continue to go bullish. Okay. 10 o'clock. So at this point of time, I'm looking to exit this trade at, it's a bit late in the session. So what I'm really looking for is opportunity to exit the trade at something like break even or minimal loss. Okay, so I just missed that just now. Come on. This price really struggled to go up and also struggled to go down. Basically, it doesn't go anyway. That's my whole point. So now is 18 plus 5. This 11 o'clock my time. Doesn't look too good now. Price is slowly going for a drawdown. Yeah, it keep making a lower low over there. We're gonna... Oof. Yeah, this is a very weird price action, as you can see here. Price is slowly making a lower low correctively, as if you're gonna promise to go up. Okay, let's see if this candle close bullish. Okay, now it's making a bullish pin bar, and we at $100 drawdown, and it's almost end of our trading session. Now it doesn't look good at all. Oof. Okay, basically at this point of time, looking at this candle, this is the 19 hours. Basically, it's the 24. This is 12 midnight. So I when it's 12 midnight, I decided to close all the trade. Regardless we win or lose, so we're gonna close this trade. And actually, the only place we can close this trade at break even is here, but price just keep making a corrective down move, and you know it's a very tricky situation. So I'm gonna copy this, enter on break above pin bar. Sorry, handwriting is bad. Continue bearish. We cannot hold the trade overnight because that's against the trading rule. So it is what it is. Take the loss of $158. That's totally fine. Number 19. Date is 13 June. The time it triggered was 16 plus 5, 9 p.m. minus 158. Did I close on? Okay. 158. 70 pip stop. This is insane. I should have moved the stop to here just now to reduce the risk and probably close a small profit here. Oh, but that's how it would have been better. Divide by 250. That's like minus 0.6 R, 63 R. Okay. This trade Okay, so there's a loss. Now we let them continue the market to Tuesday 13. Okay, I'm gonna clear this, clear this, clear this, and also we clear this one. Oh, wait a minute, we don't have to clear, I think. Let's just clear it. Let's have a fresh look at the market every time. Best thing to do. Okay, so here we are. Again, let's mark the SNR level. One over here, align with this high liquidity zone, and then one over here. This is the support become resistant. Then one over here. Then another one down here. That's the actually this look like a QM level, a bit scary there. And if that QM is broken, then we look at this level over here. And if this is broken, here we go up all the way up there. Clone update selected. Move to H1. Let's do the thing all over again. Mark the SNR level. To here. SNR level. SND zone, I mean. Mark this SND zone. Mark this. Oh. This is tricky. I'll take this zone instead. Something like this. Okay. Then, of course, this one, which is all the way back there. Oh, ugly. Just approximate. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna duplicate this zone to M30 and M15. So M30 looks okay. M15 looks okay. So now the price is at the H4 SNR level. Are they gonna continue to go up or you're gonna break down? So let's look into that. From our perspective, we can see that there's a pin bar from over here. However, it's not very clear because this bearish engulfing candle is in play. What we want is to see price broke above that. So right off the bat, I can put a buy stop, but it need to be below this. We have to break this engulfing candle, and then we're targeting up here. Risk to wow, not very good trade. 1.6 even if you break until there. Okay, let's see what happened. Take first trade. Well, like how big is this stock? We don't want to be in 60 pip, huh? Okay, never mind, 60 pip. If we break below this candle, we need to cancel this trade. So news, nope. Okay, at 30 p.m. there's a PPI news. At 30 p.m. is like 15, no, 15 hours. 15 hours. So now price is just ranging and not doing anything there. Okay, I'm gonna evaluate this situation again. If I put my stop here, then I will have reasonable 40 pip stop instead of monstrous 60 pip stop over there. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And I want to have a peep at M30. Okay. H1. Well, H1 is still inside this bearish engulfing candle. Likelihood to go down is a lot more than goes up. And this pin bar is not very clear. So you know what? I'm gonna cancel this trade. I'm not gonna take this trade. It looks very dodgy. Okay, just let's allow price to do what it needs to do now to give us a clear direction. Because this, if you look at H1, this can be a goods. It's a sell setup basically, and the thing is, this is a pullback, and we want it should continue to go bearish. Okay, so let's see. If we think that is a if we think that's a sell setup, so our stop will be here, and the 50% will be there, and we are targeting to go until down here. All right, so we could have took that earlier, but we only see it late, right? I'm gonna put sell limit over there. TP will be here. I want to TP at this candle, and my stop is up here, but my entry will be here. So this is like 44 pips stop. I think it's very reasonable to R, except if we trigger, we trigger. If not, then too bad, because the setup already happened, you know. Okay, but now we are trading in H1 time frame. I'm gonna forward it. Yep. Nope, we are missing the trade. Yep, we miss it. That's fine. So we kind of missed this trade because somehow we did not see it properly just now on a lower time frame. Oh my god, we just missed it by just like that. Okay, so lesson learned is we missed this trade because we was looking in the lower time frame and anticipating the price to bounce up, where I was fixated at which was this engulfing candle, which is by itself is not even a no, a pin bar, which is not even a very good pin bar. I was very fixated at that pin bar, thinking it will go bullish, but we at because of that we missed this big sell over here on H1. So regardless what, I'm gonna let's say I'm gonna and did we also miss this one? No, we not. I think I also missed this trade. Yeah, I also missed this trade. I missed this trade because I was waiting for the. Why is it getting so hard to see? I missed this trade because I was looking at the H1 and this kind of form. I missed it. Okay, so basically we missed two trades. I think it's a good idea to document this. Yes. MISS is the cell as I was looking at buy at lower time frame. Yeah, so I'm gonna journal this. It's not really a trade, but something that we miss. So flipping to different time frame is very important. It seems this is 14, and this trade happened. If we took this trade, it's supposed to be at this candle over here. This one over here. Sorry, at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Or we can take it at this is 6 o'clock. This is the last chance to take the trade, and again we missed this trade, which is at 7 o'clock. 18:30 p.m. Okay, that's the last opportunity to get into the trade. 0, missed the H1TF trade as I was fixated at the lower time frame and 15 setup. Okay, so basically these days is kind of gone. 11 is already 11. Nothing much can be done. Okay, so let's just forward this to Wednesday 13. Okay, let's do analysis again. Clear this. Scale fix. Boom, boom, boom. Let's clear this. Clear this. Clear this. Okay. SNR level first. That's the most important thing. SNR level. Then here's another one. Oh, very nice. This is high liquidity zone. And then this is the last one. I'll take this. That's the last one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go up, you go here. If you go down, you go here. Fine. Maybe give this another chance. Last one. Okay. We can clone and update. Go to H1. Create the SNR level. SND level. Here. This one is basically this one. Okay. Then this one is here. I'll pick this whole zone. It doesn't matter. And this one is this one. Okay. Any level up there? Sorry. Yeah, if you go down, I'll probably need to mark this. Anyway, let's just mark it. Okay, this one I'll pick the wick this time around. That'll probably be our zone. Okay. That clone selected. Go to 130. Look at it. Looks good. Oh, price is. This is tricky. Okay, M15 it looks like it's bullish now. Bullish. It's basically reject this, already break this supply zone over here. Demand zone, reject, goes up. This one making higher high, higher low. Well, at this point of time, maybe we can instant this. TP is here, stop is here. Where's the next TP level? Wow, that's so far. Oh, wait a minute. How much was this again? How much is this top? 40 pips. Okay. Maybe that will go. Let's see. But it already make a support here. If this support break, that will be. Oh, that's terrible. So it's already mid of the week. Wednesday. Okay, please continue to go up. This is the support level over here. If price break below this, that will be ugly situation for this trade. Oh. It looked like you're gonna took our stop before you continue to go up. Yeah. Okay. So this trade is basically okay. We have another opportunity to enter this trade. Wait a minute. But before that, let me journal this. Okay. How do we enter this trade again? Enter on the 50% of this candle. Which is actually not a very good one. I would say it's a low quality trade. That's the best way to describe it. How much we lost? $254. 254. 50 pips minus 1. Low. So okay, we're gonna look at this opportunity here. Basically, I'm looking at this pullback of this bullish engulfing candle. So now price at the 50% level of the bullish engulfing, and this is above the SNR level. I'm gonna take an instant trade with TP up here. Stop is here. I got 1 to 1.76 risk reward ratio, and let's see how it goes. Oh no. Oh. Okay, this is a nerve-wracking trade. Wow, what's happened on Wednesday? Wednesday, there's a news at 8:30 p.m. I see this now. Okay, probably not a good idea to take the trade because it's 20. Oh, what is this? Almost at 7 o'clock. 6:45. Man, this price action is really pain. It looked like you're gonna go bullish, but at the end, wow, 2 loss for the night, huh? Where does it go next? Whoa, strong rejection over here. Reversal. Wow, that's the new scandal. So okay, we blew two loss. We stopped trade because there's a news, so it's a bit hard to trade the new scandal. Journal this one. So the M30 engulfing also. The trade idea failed. M30 BE entry. Okay. So now, July, 15 June. This trade we took at what time? This one is at 6:30. Wow, so weird. 6:30, man. Too early. Oh, wait, 254. How much was the stop just now? Stop was 40 pips. So practically this is a very confusing SNR level. Probably I should have marked it like this instead. Okay, then then in this case I'll see a rejection trade, a bearish trade. Looking at H4, see it's not very obvious which direction the price move at this particular point of time. But okay, anyway, that's it. It is what it is. Okay, so we're done for the day, and let's move to the next day. Okay, go here. Expand. Thursday, 13 hours. Okay, clear this one up. Template. Okay. Okay, next one. resistance level, SNR level here, and then here this is a QM. Price going to continue at least to this level. Oh, it's already reached there. So that QM is, this QM is done. Okay. So I don't know. It's hard to see now. Supply zone. Supply zone. Supply zone. Another supply zone. A demand zone, sorry. Then another demand zone down here. Clone update selected. Okay. Now we go to M30 and M15 to look for entry. Okay, so price this one, it actually can be considered reach the H4 supply zone, and I only want to sell if price break below this one. So based on that, I'll look for sell stop below here, put my stop of this candle, the entry is there, and I'll target here for the TP. So 40 pip stop, that's fair, accept the break up. But it's first it go down, that's very tricky. Oof. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's continue to go up, but if it break itself and go low, that means it's a good sell. If not, wow. Okay, boom, triggered. Okay, so this is a good sell, I think. Supposed to be a good sell. So price continue to go bearish, bearish, bearish. Yep, go bearish. Whoa, what happened there? 630 just make a big rejection. Oof. Wow. That's a tricky move down there, huh? Both sides making a wick. And just take our stop. So now I really doesn't know where it will go. So let's hit M30. Okay, H1. $50 pips, that's way too much. Okay, there's no clear indication of where the price will go, but anyhow, I need to to journal this one. So it's a easy trade basically. Break low. Okay, wait. So engulfing candle. You know what? I want to take it at the 50%. Okay, I'll take it there and put my stop above it. But let me do the journal first. Trade number 23. Date is 16 June 16, and this one is at 6:15 p.m. How much was the loss again? Oh, 254. Yeah, exactly 251. Sorry. 251. 40 pips minus 1 R. Okay. There's nothing to improve on this trade. It is what it is. But this one, I am basically looking to sell limit over here and put my stop up here and TP down here and my sell limit down here. Okay, so that's my trade idea, and 35 pip stop. That's fair. Let's see. We continue to go bearish without us. I'm just gonna speed up a little bit. Now it goes up without us. Okay, now we triggered, but this doesn't look very good because this is a bullish engulfing candle, and it actually making a support over here. Let's see how this candle close first. Oh, so this was the first loss. Okay, fine. If this one lost, we're gonna end this day as well. How it look like on M30? Oh, fuck. H1. Wow, this is a very tricky trade. So this candle close bearish. Let's see this one. What does it do? Wow. Oh, I think this is gonna hit our stop. Yep. So two. Oh man, this movement is very tough. It just took our stop, just like that, and it goes bullish. My gosh. Okay, so that's it. To trade, we are gone. We are gone for the day. Okay, how can we trade this better? 20 pips now. Look like on M30 is no. Oh man, it keep making this kind of move, huh? Keep making this kind of move, and it does go back bullish. Wow. Yeah, this one is let me see. Making higher high, higher low. Okay. Oh man. Date is June 16th, and the trade time is trade time. Oh, okay, wait. This on M30? No, M15. 14, 19, 7:15. Taking the trade too early, I suppose. Oh, that's I don't know, some USD news. Okay, so Thursday, let's forward the chart to Friday, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stop it. Yep. Liquidity zone. That's why I pick it as a SNR level. Okay, wait, this one more here. H1. Oh no, I forgot to clear my chart. Default. 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 Clone selected. Go to H1. Mark the SND zone. Mark the SND zone. Mark the SND zone. Then mark is the SND zone again. And lastly, this one. Okay, let's see. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Clone. So Friday. Wow, look like we're losing this week. It's been a trend wreck of lose. Start from 13. Wow, there's only one profitable trade and it's been losing. Okay. I'll show the stat later. Yes. Okay, so let's go to lower time frame M30. Okay, price is over here. M15. Let's see what happened. As much as I want to sell, I'm a bit worried now. Okay, price is making a low, but it's not close. So let's see how this candle close. Okay. It's best if we make a bearish engulfing. No. Okay. I'll make a sell stop here. Sell stop below this. What the hell? 47 pip stop loss. Oh, that's a bit big, but it's okay. Let's play. Okay. So I'm gonna sell stop. Put my stop above this candle a little bit like that. Below, and I'll aim for this one. Actually, I can aim for this or this. Okay, now it triggered. Triggered. So what is there any news on Friday? Oh, I will check the news. BOJ, oh no, Fed speech. That will be a nasty trade. Speech is a dangerous one because the movement is not as fast like news release. They just range and range. What? This only 1 hour? Oh, how big is this top? 36. Okay. Break lows. Right. Nice. What? Oh man. Okay, so it break all the low. It's very high chance that it's gonna continue to our TP. That is great news for us. 7 o'clock. Okay. So I'm gonna look at. Oh, don't close bullish. Okay. So it make a high wick to continue to go down. I hope. Or not. It does break the low here. This is a rejection zone. Okay, I'm gonna close this trade now because there's a rejection of. I'm worried about the reaction of this candle. But anyhow, I'm gonna journal it first. So the idea is okay. Sorry, I should not use this one. It should be here. Okay, the trade idea was this break this low, break low, then lower high, then break this low, then we continue to go down. Yep, that's the trade idea. Very simple from H4 zone. Wow. It's 17. What time is that trade? This trade is okay, 6:15 p.m. So the PNL is 436. Half years old. But I think it will continue to go down. 40 pips, if I'm not mistaken. 436 divided by 0 is 1.74. Whoa, wow, it actually hit our TP. Oh, yep, we hit our TP. Okay, so now is 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Oh, sorry. Okay, I shouldn't. Next. Well, no, I shouldn't do that. So, the thing is, I'm not so sure if it's going to continue to go down or continue to go up, but I really don't want to take the trade anymore because there's a speech. It's a speech instead of this one. It's a speech instead of a news release, so it can go up and go down at the same time. I'm not gonna take any more trade for the day. And this is 17, 10 o'clock. Then, yep, that's it for the week. Let me see at M30 also there wasn't a very clear price action except for this one, but this one already tapped, so I'm a bit worried about it. I'm not sure if I can take that trade, and I think it's okay not to take the trade. Okay, so here we are. We're done for the week of June from 13 to 17. As you can see here, here's the trade journal. Not a very pretty week, I would say. From 13, this one, okay. This trade. So overall, it's a losing week. 1.3 plus 1.39. Let me see. It looked like a losing week. I'll just say 1.39 plus 1.74. 3.36 minus 4.63. We lose like 1% for the week. Wow, it's been a tough week to trade. Nevertheless, okay. So this is the what is it? This is the simulation for the week 2 of June 2022. And we continue again probably tomorrow or the week after with this simulation. So for now, thanks for watching. This is the end of the live stream. Bye bye. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, I missed the chat. I missed the chat. Okay. How do I reply to this chat? So the indicator is a forex simulator. It's an EA. Basically, it's not an indicator. So sorry that I replied late, but you can find this on Google forex simulator. Okay. So thanks again for watching. Sorry I did not see the chat earlier because I was busy doing the journaling at the same time. All right. Till we see you again. Bye bye.